Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices settled slightly higher on Friday, but posted a weekly decline, ending 4 straight weeks of gains after US President Donald Trump announced sweeping plans to boost domestic production, while demanding that OPEC move to lower crude prices. Gold prices climbed over 1% on Friday, closing in on its all-time high hit in October, as a weakening dollar in US President Donald Trump's push for lower rates and tariff uncertainty drove the metal towards its 4th straight weekly rise. The US dollar slid on Friday and was set for its biggest weekly loss in over a year, after President Donald Trump suggested a softer stance on tariffs against China, adding to uncertainty about the trade policy that kept equity markets on edge.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 13:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 6 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.